as our school, Chhatrapati Sambhajiraje Global School, Ambadugai, is conducting a social visit for the Gangamauli sugar factory, which is located at the Kales district Bid. Now we are going to departure for our social visit.
Good morning one and all. Today we all are come at Gangamauli sugar factory cage. Firstly, we are going to see sugar industry. So student, listen carefully. Sugar industry is an important agro-based industry that impacts rural livelihood of about 50 million sugarcane farmers and around 5 lakh workers directly employed in sugar mills. Everybody knows about it. Most sugar is extracted from sugarcane and sugar beet. Sugar is used for soft drink, sweetened beverage, baked products, fast food, candy, convenience food and other sweetened foods. Yes? Now, what is the process of making sugar cane into sugar? See students, cane sugar processing consists of the following step. Firstly, sugarcane is crushed. The juice is heated and filtered, then sent to series of crystallization. Step to create crystal of raw sugar, followed by centrifugation to remove any remaining juice or syrup. The process involves removing impurities from the sugar cane or sugar beet juice. It is mostly done by adding lime to it to neutralize the organic acid present in it. The solution is later heated up to 95 degrees Celsius. The heating helps in coagulation and impurities settle in the bottom, which is then removed. I hope you all are understand the process of sugar. Thank you for listen carefully.